Hey guys, welcome. So in this video I'm going to show you how I get this makeup look. This look is a teenager friendly easy peasy makeup. If you want to know how I get this look, so let's get started. So first of all I'm using Blue Heaven primer. It's a silicone base. Next I'm using Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 230 Natural Beige. Apply in a dotted form all over my face. Blend with the help of foundation brush. Take our time to blend it well. Don't drag it, also using tap motion. Next, I am using Swiss Beauty Concealer in the shade 04. To set my concealer, I am using Maybelline Fit Me Compact in the shade Natural Beige. So first comb my eyebrows with the help of spoolie brush. Next, to fill my eyebrows with the help of Music Flower Gel eyeliner in the shade Brown. Apply in a little strokes to fill as well as. For the eyeshadow, I am going to use Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette. Then I am taking black shade, apply on my all over eyes. Going to little bit upper on my crease line. Blending with the help of small blending brush. Next, I am using Sandalwood shade to blend my edges as well as. Next, I am using Pressed Glitter in the shade Light Green. Next, I am going to highlight my inner corners and brow bone with the help of Maybelline Master Chrome Highlighter. For the lower lash line, I am going to use two shades which is red and brown. Next, I am using Color Careful liquid eyeliner. For give some depth on my face, I am going to use Makeup Revolution Blusher Contour Palette. Next, I am using blush in the shade Pink. Apply on my cheeks and little bit my nose and chin. For the lipstick, I am using Neon Lip Liner in the shade 02. Please give me thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. So, thank you. Take care. Bye bye.
face, don't make it a sin. If you run me what you can.